Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to neutral BMW X5 full guide. Park on level ground and apply the parking brake, then set wheels chocks if available. Keep the ignition in accessory mode so power remains for shifting while avoiding full engine operation. Wear gloves and keep bystanders clear. If unsure, consult a technician before proceeding, because safety always comes first when manipulating the transmission or moving a heavy vehicle. In this video, I will show how to neutral BMW X5 full guide. With the engine running or in accessory mode, press the brake firmly and gently move the gear selector toward neutral. If the selector resists, look for a shift lock release near the shifter and follow the owner manual procedure to override. Confirm the dash indicates neutral, then slowly release the brake while keeping hands on the wheel until you are ready to move the vehicle. In this video, I will show how to neutral BMW X5 full guide. Quick recommendation: pick up an Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free music, timers, and clear audio while you work, and it fits in any garage or toolbox setup. It makes following step instructions easier and keeps your phone free. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to neutral BMW X5 full guide. Before towing, confirm BMW towing mode requirements and battery state to avoid electronic faults. Place the vehicle in neutral and secure it with straps to prevent rolling on the tow truck. Disable the parking brake only when loading. For long distances, use a flatbed to protect the transmission and differential, and double-check all attachments before transit to keep both car and crew safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.